This judge was furious when this cocky repeat offender cussed a vile insult at her, so the verdict he received was nothing short of jaw-dropping.
Mr. Mendoza was previously in court and entered pleas of true to counts 1 through 13 in a motion to revoke probation. Currently on probation for driving while intoxicated.
He can't afford to pay for the things, he needs to do, such as the 12-step program, the GD program, all those things require money, and that's one of the big issues. But he also says he's never tested positive for, which is alleged in here.
You were an absconder, and the only reason we found you is because you were arrested in Houston for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. So this is the third time, it looks like to me, that you would have been given an opportunity to remain on probation.
You're saying I went to safety twice. I never went.
Nobody's saying you went to safety twice. We're saying you went to safety. Hold on, don't listen. I'm going to let you talk, but don't talk over me. We're saying that you went to safety and then that you were ordered to go to the safety relapse, but you never came and turned yourself in after that phone call where you were told that there was to be a warrant for your arrest. So did you respond to that email? That was that's what you thought about all that?
Yes, ma'am. I did actually say that.
You thought that was funny?
It's because I was agitated and I was trying to do things, trying to make money to take the classes.
Well, you had money to buy alcohol. You had, because you kept drinking. If you had at any time stopped testing positive and having blood alcohol readings that were positive on those things, then you could have eventually gotten off of those. I don't keep people on those for very long. But the reason we had to keep doing it for you is because you kept drinking. You kept messing up.
The only time I messed up is when they stopped supervising me and made me go do these things by myself.
Well, I mean, how old are you? How old are you? 43 years old.
And I have no felonies on my record except for this.
That doesn't mean anything. You have this felony and you have 6 years hanging over your head and you've been given all the tools. At some point, you have to take those tools and do for yourself and not come in and say, well, they made me do it for myself, so it's somebody else's fault that I kept drinking. We gave you the tools.
If I can
We're done. At this, we're done. Mr. Mendoza, turn around. You can say whatever you want, but you're going to face me and you're going to get your sentence. And if at this time I could give you more, I would, I promise you, but I can't. So I'm going to revoke your probation, sentence you to 6 years.